We love stuffed grape leaf rolls. Today I'm out picking fresh leaves and I'm going to show you how to identify them. Wild grape leaves grow just about anywhere. Today I'm in a parking lot where they're growing on another tree and on a fence. Grape leaves have 3 lobes with notches all the way around, and they grow on a reddish vine. These leaves aren't quite ready yet. This one has holes, avoid that. Here, this one looks perfect. I'm going to trim it right at the base. I picked the leaf at the base of the stem to prevent it from tearing. We'll trim it back later when we go to roll it. I have a nice stack of leaves here that I'm going to just keep in a plastic bag, take them home and get them ready to roll. You can pick lots of leaves in season and then store them to use throughout the year. It's so simple to store the grape leaves. I just have my stack of leaves with the stems on. I'm not going to wash them until I'm ready to roll them, putting them in a Ziploc bag, getting as much air out as I can. I'm going to freeze them just like that. If you're going to use the leaves in the next few days, just put this in the fridge and they'll be fine. When you are ready to roll, going to trim the stem right there like that. For leaves that have been frozen, just rinse them in some warm water and lay them out to roll. When they've been from the fridge, you're going to want to blanch them in some boiling water or let them sit in hot water to make them pliable enough to roll. You'll find my full recipe for how to make Lebanese grape leaf rolls in my next video right here, and I hope you'll subscribe so we can continue to cook Lebanese together.